Now we have to some example problem. See the distance traveled by a train in 6 days is given below. Find the mean distance traveled by the train. Mean. Okay, underline the word mean. Distance. Sorry. TANCE. Traveled by the train. See here, 186 kilometer, 108 kilometer, 120 kilometer, 94 kilometer, 104 kilometer, 150 kilometer. Okay, now you have to find the mean. Okay, what is mean formula? Sum of all observations, right? Divided by number of observations. Okay, now you have to write sum of all observation means write 186 plus 108 plus 120 plus 94 plus 104 plus 150 divided by number of observations. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can put 6. Now you can add off in that value. Okay, directly you can add or otherwise you have to write the number. See here, what is that? I can write in this place. 186, 108, 120, 94, 104, 150. Now you can add. See 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 4, 22. Remainder 2, 10, 12, 21, 26. Remainder 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is that? 762. So you have to write 762 divided by 6. The simplification is possible. See here, 1 6 are 6. Remainder 1, 16 means 2 6 are 12. Remainder 4, 42 means 7 6 are 42. 127 kilometer is your answer. Okay, see here the distance traveled by a train in 6 days is given below. Find the mean distance traveled by the train. See the kilometer was given. First of all you have to write the mean formula, sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So first you have to add off in that kilometers divided by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to put addition value of the numerator is 762 by 6. Simplifying in this one you will get 127 kilometer. Clear? Now we see the next problem. The points. This is points obtained by a team in a game or as given here. See 15, 22, 14, 20 and 24. Okay. Now the first one, calculate the range of the points. Okay, see here the points obtained by the team in a game are as given here. The number was given. Now we have to find it out the range. Okay, write the formula first. What is the range formula? Highest value minus lowest value. Okay, so write highest value minus lowest value. Which one is the highest value? 24 minus lowest value. Okay, 14. What is 24 minus 14? 10. So range equal to 10. Clear? See the next one. Calculate the mean of the points. See, write the formula first. Mean is equal to, what is the formula? Sum of all observations. Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations. So first you have to sum of all observation. Write the value first. What is that? 15 plus 22 plus 14. Okay, 14 plus 20 plus 24 divided by number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can put 5. Now you can add in this value. So, okay, directly you can add 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Remainder 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here 95 divided by, write this 5. Now you have to simplifying in this one. What is the simplification? 1 5s are 5, the remainder 4, 45 is there, means how many 5 is there? 19. So we can write mean is equal to 19. This is your answer. Okay. Now see the next problem. Find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Okay, see, your question is find the range. Range means everybody know highest value minus lowest value, right? See, find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. Okay, now let us assume the heights first. In centimeter you have to assume of 10 students. Okay. This is your assumption. Here let us take any other value, 130, 132, 135, 137, 139, 140, again you can take 140, 143, 145, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more student's height you need. You can consider 148. Okay, now by observing the above mentioned value, the highest value is what? See, which one is the highest value? 148. See, the next by observing the above mentioned value, the lowest value is which one? 130. Okay, now you have to find it out the range. Okay, see here, now the step mark is important, so you have to write by observing the above mentioned values, the highest value is, okay, the highest value is, what is that? 148 centimeter. Okay, next, by observing the above mentioned value, that means the lowest value is what? 130 centimeter. Okay, now you have to find range of heights. Then range of heights is equal to highest value minus lowest value. See here, what is the highest value? 148 minus lowest value 130. What is 148 minus 130? 18 centimeter. So range of height is equal to 18 centimeter. Everybody clear? Okay, see, actually what is the question? Find the range of heights of any 10 students of your classes. First of all, you have to considering 10 student height. Okay, and that one, first of all, you have to find it out the highest value. The highest value is 148. Then next you have to find it out the lowest value. That is 130. Now you have to find the range. That means range of height. So write the formula. What is that? Highest value minus lowest value. See, highest value 148, lowest value 130. Now you have to subtracting, you will get 18 centimeter. So the range of height is nothing but 18 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay. Next problem. This is very important. See here, and also very interesting one. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. See, 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6 and 7. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now you have to find it out. See which number is the highest. See the second one, which number is the lowest. The third one, what is the range of the data? The next one, find the arithmetic mean. Mean or arithmetic mean, both are same. Find the arithmetic mean. Okay, this is the question. Your class organize the following marks in the class assessment in the tabular form. Is the mark was given. Now you have to find it out, the which number is highest, which one is lowest. Next you have to find the range and then arithmetic mean. Okay, see here the solution. First we have to arrange the given marks in ascending order. Okay, so first we have to arrange the given marks in ascending order. First you have to arrange the ascending order. See here 1. Okay, next 2 times, so you have to put 2. The next 3 1 time. The next 1 2 3 4 times. Sorry, 4 3 times. The next 1 2 3 4 5 times. 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, next 1 2 3 4 6 4 times. 1 2 3 4. The next 1 7 2 times. The next 8 1 time, 9 1 time. So 8 comma 9. So first of all you have to arrange the ascending order for the given assessment mark. Okay, now we will draw the frequency table of the given data. Okay, see. Now we will draw frequency table of the given data. See here the frequency table is very easy. See, first you have to write marks. Next tally marks. Next frequency. See here totally how many marks? 1 2 3 4 up to 9, right? So first you have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then tally marks. The tally marks is nothing but, see here how many times 1 will appear? 1 time, so you have to put 1. Frequency counting, so 1. Next how many times 2 will appear? 1 2. Okay, so tally marks you have to put 2. The counting is number 2. Next 3, how many times counting? Coming 1 appear. 3 times 3 means 1 time appear, so you have to write 1. And then 4 3 times, so the tally marks is 1 2 3. So the counting, that means frequency is 3. And then see here 5 times. Okay, 5 times means, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Next frequency 5. Then 6 4 times, 7 2 times, 8 1, 9 1. Okay, ma? Then 6 4 times, frequency 4, 7 2 times, frequency 2, 8 1 times 1, 9 1 times 1. Everybody clear the table? Okay, now see here the first one. What is the first one? You have to find the highest number. Okay, by observing the table clearly, the highest number among the given data is which one? So which one? 9. Okay, so by observing the table clearly, the highest number among the given data is what is that? 9. Okay, now what is the second one? Lowest number. The same line, by observing the table clearly, the lowest number among them, which one? 1. Okay, see, write observing the table clearly, the lowest number among the given data is, what is that? 1. Okay, now see the third one. What is the third one? Find it out, the range. Okay, we know that range is equal to, what is the formula? Highest value minus lowest value. Okay, what is the highest value? 9 minus lowest value 1. 9 minus 1, 8. So range equal to 8. Okay, now you can find the fourth one. You have to find the mean, that means arithmetic mean. Now we have to calculate arithmetic mean. Everybody know that arithmetic mean is nothing but sum of all observation divided by total number of observation, right? Sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Okay, see here, first you have to sum of all observations, see, which is equal to sum. You can add the value. See here, what is that? 1, 2 2 times, 3 1 times, 2 2 times, 3 1 times, 4 3 times, 5 5 times, 4 3 times, 5 5 times, then 6 4 times, plus 1 2 3 4 6 4 times, plus 7 2 times, 8 1 times, and then 9 1 times, divided by total number of observations. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. One term was missing. The term was 5 times 5. Okay, see here, plus 5. Now 20. So divided by 20. Now you can add off in that value. See, what is that? 1 plus 2, 3, 5, 8, 12, 16, 20, 30, 40, 45, 51, 57, 63, 69, 76, 83, 83, 91, 100. So sum of all observation value is 100 divided by 20. What is 100 by 20? Everybody know? 5. So arithmetic mean is equal to 5 is your answer. Everybody clear? Okay. Thank you.